through the operation of the TRU, which is here. So the TRU is used to provide some DC power if we've lost all our other sources of DC generation from the main generators or the APU generator. And what it does, it changes the AC from the alternators, from one of the alternators, converts that 115 volts into 28 DC and supplies it onto the essential bus. It's quite limited because we can only supply it onto the essential bus. Now what we have to control this is a guarded switch on the overhead panel where we can select, here's the switch here, where we can select which alternator we want to use. We can only use one, so the switch is guarded in the middle position, and then we can select it to the left or to the right TRU. So we're just going to go in one direction. If we put it in the other direction, it just hooks it up to the other alternator. So which alternator we use is controlled by this relay here, 3 XB, which has got an A coil or a B coil. So depending on which coil we energize will depend on which generator is the source of power. So down here is our TRU switch. There's power coming to it from either one of the phases, from the C phase, in fact, from the left or the right TRU. And let's just assume we're going to turn it to the left. So the power comes down through the now closed contacts here of the switch, and it energizes, in this case, 6 XB. If we go the other way, it would energize 7 XB. But we're going to energize 6 XB, so that energizes, so that opens and that closes, and this closes. And power now comes down through here to the A coil of 3 XB, and boom, it energizes. And when it energizes, all these switch contacts now change over to the left, and the AC power from the 3 phases comes down these lines, A, B, C, and puts 115 volts, AC into the TRU, which then converts into DC, 28 volts, and 28 volts comes out this line here and goes up and feeds the essential bus. And it's as simple as that.